Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Clerk Authentication UI for a cleaner dashboard. Complete guides. To configure Clerk Authentication UI for a cleaner dashboard, you will first need to log in to your Clerk dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section from the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, locate the Authentication tab and click on it. Here, you will find various options for customizing your Authentication UI. Start by selecting the Appearance section to modify the look and feel. Choose a color scheme that aligns with your brand's identity. You can also upload your own logo to enhance brand recognition. Next, scroll to the Layout section to choose the layout style of your authentication forms. Consider selecting a minimalist layout to maintain a clean dashboard appearance. After selecting your layout, review the available input fields. Decide which fields are essential for your users, and remove any unnecessary ones. Now, move on to the Customizations tab to adjust text elements and labels. Make sure all language used is clear and concise. You can also customize error messages to keep them user-friendly. Next, focus on setting up social login options if applicable. Choose the social providers you'd like to integrate for seamless registration. Now, save your changes to apply the new configurations. Finally, test the Authentication UI by accessing your application. Check for clarity and ease of use across different devices. Make additional adjustments as needed based on your testing. Once satisfied, your Clerk Authentication UI will provide a cleaner experience for your dashboard users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.